Reshma 4. And I'll start with the first one. Then again in the same order, we'll continue.
Okay. Om Shri Matre Namaha. Om Sinduraruna Vigraham Trinayanam Manikya Mauli Spurat Taranayaka Shekharam Smitamukhim Apina Vakshoruham Panibhyam Alipurna Ratna Chashakam Raktotpalam Bhibradim Saumyam Ratna Ghatastha Rakta Charanam Dhyayet Param Ambikam.
अरुणां करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्.
Lisha, you're in now. You can hear us?
Yeah, I can. I don't know if you can hear me. My voice is
Hold, okay.
yeah.
No, it's fine. Yeah.
ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्तां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां हेम पद्माम्बराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रान् भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतौ सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं
Pranutam Sarvasapa. Reshma.
Yeah. Akunkuma Vilepana Malika Chambika Kasturikam Samanda Hasitekshanam Sasara Chapa Pashankusham Ashesha Janamohinim Arunamalya Bhushambaram Japa Kusma Bhasuram Japa Vitau Smaretam Bikam.
Yeah. Here Malika Chumbi Kasturikam, not Chumbika
Yeah.
Kasturikam.
Yeah. Alika yeah.
Slip, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now I'll share the shlokas. Okay. Om Shri Mata Shri Maharajni Srimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Deva Karya Samudyata. Ranjani, you can do.
Only one, right?
One, yeah. Ranjani, Rupa, Lisha, Reshma, we'll keep in the same order.
Okay. Udyadbhanusahasrabha Chaturbahusamandvita Ragaswarupa Pashadhya Krodakara Kushojvala.
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला
चम्पकाशोकपुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचां कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कौटीरमण्डिता
Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Daligastala Shobhita Mukachandra Kalankaba Mraganabi Visheshaga.
Maya, you want to do 6?
Yeah, one more.
Or I'll do 6, you can do 7 then. Oh, Sarina's. Vadanasmara Mangalya Grihatorana Chillika Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalan Meena Bhalochana.
I'll do
7.
Navachampaka Pushpaba Nasa Dandavirajita Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Basura
Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Basura.
Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Basura.
Sarina, you will do 8.
Sure. Nasa Bharana Basura. Okay. Kadamba Manjari Klupta कर्णपूर्णमनोहरा ताटाङ्क
कर्णपूरमनोहरा
कर्णपूरमनोहरा ताटाङ्कयुगलीभूत तपनोडुपमण्डला
Tatanka Yugalibhuta. Now today we are trying one the order, same order. Okay, so Reshma, Rupa, Lisha, Ranjani, Rupa, Lisha, Reshma, Maya, Sarina, and then I'll do one. Okay. Ranjani, 9th.
पद्मरागशिलादर्श परिभाविकपोलभूः नवविन्द्रबबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारीदनच्चदा
शुद्धविद्याङ्कुराकार द्विजपङ्क्तिद्वयोज्ज्वला कर्पूरवीटिकामोत समाकर्षितिगन्तरा
Lisha,
ನಿಜ ಸಲ್ಲಾಪ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯ ವಿನಿರ್ಕತ್ತಿ
Atsita Kachapi.
wait 11 ಅಲ್ಲೇ
11. You're right. You're on the correct one.
ನಿಜ ಸಲ್ಲಾಪ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯ ವಿನಿರ್ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಕ್ತಿರ್
Vinir Bhart Sita.
ನಿಜ ಸಲ್ಲಾಪ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯ ವಿನಿರ್ಭಕ್ತಿ ಸಿತ ಕಚ್ಚಪೀಂ ಮಂದಸ್ಮಿತ ಪ್ರಭಾಪೂರ ಮಚ್ಚತ್ ಕಾಮೇಶ ಮಾನಸ
अनाकलित सादृश्य चिबुग श्री विराजिता कामेश बद्ध मांगल्य सूत्र शोभिता कंदरा
Maya,
कनकाङ्गदकेयूर कमनीय भुजान्विता रत्नगैर्वेय चिन्ताकलोल रत्नग्रैवेय चिन्ताकलोल मुक्ताफलान्विता
Alanvita.
फलान्विता
Sarina,
कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्नमणिप्रतिपनस्तनी नाभ्यालवालरोमाली लतफलकुचद्वयी
Lata Palakuchatri.
लता फलकुचद्वयी
Vidya, you can do 15.
Yeah, sure. लिक्षिरोमलदाधारदा समुन्नेय मध्यमा स्तनभारदळन्मध्यपट्टबन्धवलित्रया
अरुणारुण कौसुम्भ वस्त्र भास्वत्कटी तटी रत्नकारम्य रशनादामभूषिता. Now again Ranjani.
कामेशज्ञात सौभाग्य माधुर्वोरुद्वयान्विता
Ardhavurudvayanvita.
माधवोरुद्वयान्विता माणिक्य मुकुटाकार जानद्वय विराजिता
इन्द्रगोपपरिक्षिप्त स्मरतूणा गूढगुल्फा कूर्मपृष्ठ जयिष्णुप्रभतान्विता
Lisha.
ನಖದೀದತಿ ಸಂಚನ್ನ ಸಮಗ್ನತಮೋ ಗುಣಾಂ ಪದ್ಮದ್ವಯ ಪ್ರಭಾಜಾಲಂ ಪರಾಕೃತ ಸರೋರುಹಾಂ
Nakhadi dhiti sanchanna namajjana.
ನಖದೀದಿತಿ ಸಂಚನ್ನ ನಮಜ್ಜನ ತಮೋ ಗುಣ ನಖದೀದಿತಿ ಸಂಚನ್ನ ನಮಜ್ಜನ ತಮೋ ಗುಣ ಪದ್ಮದ್ವಯ ಪ್ರಭಾಜ್ವಾಲ ಪದದ್ವಯ ಓಕೆ ನಖದೀದತಿ ಸಂಚನ್ನ ನಮಜನ ತಮೋ ಗುಣ ಪದದ್ವಯ ಪ್ರಭಾಜ್ವಾಲ ಪರಾಕೃತ ಸರೋರುಹ
पिञ्जाणमण मञ्जीर मण्डित श्रीपदाम्बुजा मराळी मन्द गमना महालावण्य शेवदिः
सर्वारुणान्वद्याङ्गी सर्वाभरणभूषिता शिवकामेश्वराङ्गस्था शिवा स्वाधीनवल्लभा
सुमेरुमध्यशृङ्गस्था श्रीमन्नगरनायिका चिन्तामणिगृहान्तस्थ पञ्चब्रह्मासनस्थिता
Grihantastha Panchabrahmasana Sthita. Vidya.
महापद्माडवी संस्था कदम्बवनवासिनी सुधासागरमध्यस्था कामाक्षी कामदायिनी
देवर्षिगणसङ्घातस्तूयमानात्मवैभवा भण्डासुरवधोद्युक्तशक्तिसेना समन्विता
सम्पत्करी समारूढ सिन्दूर वज्रसेविता अश्वारूढाधिष्ठिताशा कोटिकोटिभिरावृता
Sindhura Vrajasevita. Okay, not the other Sindhura. So can you do this?
सिन्धुर सम्पत्करी समारूढ सिन्दूर व्रजसेविता
Sampatkari Samarudha, the dha, last dha. Sampatkari Samarudha Sindhura Vrajasevita. This Rudha will come in the next two also. So yeah, you should.
Okay. सम्पत्करी समारूढ सिन्दूर वज्रसेविता
Sindhura Vrajasevita.
सिन्दूर वज्रसेविता
Dhu is short. Sindhura Vrajasevita.
सिन्दूर व्रजसेविता अश्वारूढाधिष्ठिताश्व कोटिकोटिभिरावृता
Correct. This is also same dha. Rudha. Ashwarudha dhishtita ashwa koti koti bhiravrita. Okay.
Okay.
चक्रराजरथारूढ सर्वायुध परिष्कृता गेय चक्ररथारूढ मन्त्रिणी परिसेविता
Lisha.
किरिचक्ररथारूढा दण्डनाथा पुरस्कृता ज्वालामालिनिका क्लिप्ता
Kakshipta.
ज्वालामालिनी
Kakshipta.
काक्षिप्त वह्नि प्राकारमध्यगा
भण्डसैन्यवधोद्युक्त शक्तिविक्रमहर्षिता नित्यपराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणमसमुत्सुका
Nitya parakramaatopa samutsuka.
पराक्रमाटोपनिरीक्षणसमुत्सुका
Correct.
पण्डपुत्रवधोद्युक्त बाला विक्रमनन्दिता मन्त्रिण्यम्बा विरचित विषङ्वदतोषिता
Vishangavadhatoshita.
विषङ्गवदतोषिता
विशुक्रप्राणहरणा वाराहि वीर्यनन्दिता कामेश्वरमुखालोककल्पितश्रीगणेश्वरा
Vidya.
महागणेश निर्भिन्न विघ्नयन्द्रप्रहर्षिता भण्डासुरेन्द्र निर्मुक्त शस्त्र प्रत्यस्त्रवर्षिणी
कराङ्गुलिनखोत्पन्न नारायणशाकृतिः महापाशुपतास्त्राग्निर्दग्धासुरसैनिका
कामेश्वरास्त्रनिर्दग्धसमण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मो
शून्यका सभण्डासुर
सभण्डासुरशून्यका ब्रह्मोपेन्द्रमहेन्द्रादिदेव संस्तुतवैभवा
yeah. Next is
रूपा
Oh, so sorry. Which one is
Hara.
हरनेत्राग्निसन्दग्ध कामसञ्जीवनौषधिः श्रीमद्वाग्भवकूटैकस्वरूपमुखपङ्कजा
कण्ठादकटिपर्यन्त मध्यकूटस्वरूपिणीं शक्तिकूटैकतापन्न कट्यधोभागधारिणीम्
मूलमन्त्रात्मिका कूटत्रयकलेबरा कुलामृतैकरसिका कुलसङ्केतपालिनी
कुलाङ्गना कुलान्तस्था कौलिनी कुलयोगिनी अकुला समयान्तस्था समयाचारतत्परा
sorry.
मूलाधारैकनिलया ब्रह्मग्रन्थिविभेदिनी मणिपूरान्तरुदिता विष्णुग्रन्थिविभेदिनी
Vidya, right?
आज्ञाचक्रान्तराळस्था रुद्रग्रन्थिविभेदिनी सहस्राराम्बुजारूढा सुधासाराभिवर्षिणी
तडिल्लता समरुचिश्चक्रोपरि संस्थिता महाशक्तिः कुण्डलिनी विसतन्तु तनीयसी
भवानी भावनागम्या भावारण्यकुटारिका
भवारण्यकुठारिका
भवारण्यकुटारिका भद्रप्रिया भद्रमूर्तिर्भक्तसौभाग्यदायिनी
भक्तिप्रिया भक्तिगम्या भक्तिवश्या भयापहा शाम्भवी शारदाराध्या शर्वाणी शर्मदायिनी
शाङ्करी स्वीकरी साध्वी शरच्चन्द्र निभासनां शातो
निभानना
निभाननां शातोदरी शान्तमती निराधारा निरञ्जना
शान्तिमती
निर्लेपा निर्मला नित्या निराकार निराकुला निर्गुणा
निराकारा निराकुला
निराकारा निराकुला निर्गुणा निष्कला शांता निष्कामा निरपप्लवा
नित्यमुक्ता निर्विकारा निष्प्रपञ्चा निराश्रया नित्यशुद्धा नित्यबुद्धा निरवध्या निरन्तरा
निष्कारणा निष्कलङ्का निरुपाधिर्निरीश्वरा निरागरागमथनी निर्मदा
निरागारागमथनी
निरागरागमथनी निर्मदा मदनाशिनी
Vidya, right?
निश्चिन्दा निरहङ्कारा निर्मोहा मोहनाशिनी निर्ममा ममताहन्त्री निष्पापा पापनाशिनी
ഹലോ വിജയമ്മ ആൻറ്റി ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ് ആൻറ്റി ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഓരോന്നായിട്ട് വായിച്ചു പോവുകയാണേ അപ്പോൾ ആൻറ്റി 48 വായിക്കുന്നു maybe she's still connecting. Okay. निष्क्रोधा क्रोधशमनी निर्लोभा लोभनाशिनी निस्संशया संशयग्नि निर्भवा भवनाशिनी
निर्विकल्पा निराबाधा निर्भेदा भेदनाशिनी निर्नाशा मृत्युमदिनी निष्क्रिया निष्परिग्रहा
Here nirabadha, okay, the ba is soft, dha is only mahaprana, so nirabadha.
निराबाधा
No, nirabadha.
निराबाधा
That ba is soft, nirabadha.
निराबाधा निर्विकल्पा
निस्तुला नीलचिकुरा निरपाया निरत्यया दुर्लभा दुर्गमा दुर्गा दुःखहन्त्री सुखप्रदा
दुष्टदूरा दुराचारशमनी दोषवर्जिता सर्वज्ञा सान्द्रकरुणा समानाथ नाधिकवर्जिता
सर्वशक्तिमयी सर्वमंगल सद्गतिप्रदा
सद्गतिप्रदा
सर्वमंगला सद्गतिप्रदा सर्वेश्वरी सर्वमयी सर्वमंत्रस्वरूपिणी
सर्वयन्त्रात्मिका सर्वतन्त्ररूपा मनोन्मनी माहेश्वरी महादेवी महालक्ष्मी मृडप्रिया
महारूपा महापूज्य महापाटकनाशिनी
महापातकनाशिनी
महापाटकनाशिनी
Pataka, like patakam, like that with harm, right? That mahapatakanaashini.
महापातकनाशिनी महामाया महासत्व महाशक्तिर्महारथी
Vidya, right?
महाभोगा महैश्वर्या महावीर्या महाबला महाबुद्धिर्महासिद्धिर्महायोगीश्वरेश्वरी
Okay. Vijayamandi. Mahatantra, Mahamantra, Mahayantra, Mahasana, Mahayagakramaradhya, Mahakairava Pujita.
महेश्वर महाकल्प
Maheshwara, Maheshwara, Mahakalpa, all that is together. Maheshwara, Mahakalpa, Mahatandava Sakshini.
महेश्वर महाकल्प महातांडव साक्षिणी महाकामेश महिषी महात्रिपुरसुन्दरी
चतुष्षष्ट्यपचाराढ्या चतुष्षष्टिकलामयी महाचतुष्षष्टिकोटि योगिनी गणसेविता
Upachara. Lisha.
Sure,
मनु
thank
विद्या
you.
चंद्र विद्या चंद्रमंडल मध्यगा चारु रूपा चारुहासा चारु चंद्रकलाधरा
चराचर जगन्नाथ चक्र राजनिकेतना पार्वती पद्मनयना पद्मराग समाप्रभा समप्रभा
पञ्चप्रेतासनासीना पञ्चब्रह्मस्वरूपिणी चिन्मयी परमानन्दा विज्ञानघनरूपिणी
ध्यायद्यातिर्देयरूपा धर्मा विवर्जिता
Jnana-Dhyatridhyeya-Rupa.
ध्यानदातिर्देयरूपा धर्मा विवर्जिता विश्वरूपा जागरिणी स्वपन्ती तैजसात्मिका
Dharma Vivarjita. Okay.
धर्मा
Dharma Vivarjita.
Okay. धर्मा विवर्जिता.
So it is basically dharma, adharma, dharma and adharma vivarjita. So
Okay.
dharma, adharma vivarjita.
Okay, thank you.
Vidya, right?
सुप्ता प्राज्ञात्मिगातुर्या सर्वावस्था विवर्जिता सृष्टिकर्त्री ब्रह्मरूपा गोप्त्री गोविन्दरूपिणी
Shivika, you want to chant the next one, 64? संहारिणी रुद्ररूपा तिरोधानकरीश्वरी सदा शिवानुग्रहदा पंचकृत्यपरायणा
भानुमण्डल मध्यस्था भैरवी भगमालिनी पद्मासना भगवती पद्मनाभ सहोदरी
उन्मेष निमिषोत्पन्न विपन्न भुवनावली सहस्रशीर्ष वदना सहस्राक्षी सहस्रपाद
आब्रह्मकूट जननी वर्णश्रम विदायिनी
आब्रह्मकीट जननी
आब्रह्मकीट जननी वर्णश्रय विधायिनी
वर्णाश्रम विधायिनी
आब्रह्मकीट जननी वर्णाश्रम विदायिनी निजाग्न रूप निगमा पुण्य फलप्रदा
This nya sound, right? It is like ja and nya. There are many different pronunciations. Some people say GNA, but that's not correct. It has to be nijagnya. Okay, agnya, like Malayalam agnya and all. Nijagnya. Okay, ij and nya, like Tamil nya, nyani, like that. There is a half J sound and nya sound. Nijagnya rupa nigama.
Nijagnarupa nigama punya.
N sound is not needed. Nijagnarupa nigama.
Nijagnarupa nigama punya palaprada. Nijagnarupa nigama punya palaprada.
Yeah, we are used to saying Vignanam like that, right? When in the influence, we'll say Vignanam. But it is actually that N you can skip. Ajna, just remember Ajna. So, Nijagnya Rupa Nigama Punya Phalaprada.
Nijagnya Rupa Nigama Punya Phalaprada.
श्रुति सीमंत सिंदूरी कृता पादाब्जदूलिका सकलागम संदोह शुक्ति संपूट मौक्तिका
Puta is short. Samputa Mauktika.
शुक्ति संपुट मौक्तिका
पुरुषार्थप्रदा पूर्णा भोगिनी भुवनेश्वरी अम्बिकानादिनिधना हरिब्रह्मेन्द्रसेविता
Sari.
नारायणी नादरूपा नामरूपा विवर्जिता
नाम रूप विवर्जिता, not रूपा. नाम रूप विवर्जिता.
नामरूपविवर्जिता हृङ्कारी ह्रीमती हृदय हेयोपादे
हृङ्कारी ह्रीमती हृद्या.
हृङ्कारी ह्रीमती हृदया हेयोपादेयवर्जिता
विद्या, right?
राजराजार्चिता राज्ञी रम्या राजीवलोचना रञ्जनी रमणीरस्य रणत्किङ्किणीमेखला
Shivika, you want to do 72?
Okay.
What happened? Couple of.
I was not able to join.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
72.
72. Yeah.
Rama Rakendu
Rama Rakendu Vadana.
Rama Rakendu Vadana Rati Rupa Rata Priya
Rati Priya.
Rakshakari
Rakshakari.
Rakshasagani Rama Ramanalampata Lampata.
Vijayamandi undo. Kamya Kamakalarupa Kadamba Kusuma Priya Kalyani Jagati Kanda Karuna Rasasagara
कलावती कलालापा कान्ता कादम्बरी प्रिया
Kadambari Priya
कादम्बरी प्रिया वरदा वामनयना वरुणी मध्यविल्वहा
Varuni Madavihvala
वारुणी मदविल्वहा
is Vihvala. Vih and Vala.
विह्वला
Vihvala.
वारुणी मदविल् विह्विला
Yeah, H first and then Va. Vihvala. Like we
विह्वला
did Vakni and all, right? Vihvala.
विह्वला वारुणी मदविल् विह्वला.
Correct. Yeah.
Thank you.
विश्वाधिका वेदवेद्या विन्ध्याचलनिवासिनी विधात्री वेदजननी विष्णुमाया विलासिनी. It's विन्ध्याचल. Yeah.
Edana Shanti. Next.
Nisha. 76. Kshetra Swarupa Kshetresh.
क्षेत्र स्वरूप क्षेत्रेसी क्षेत्र क्षेत्राग्नपालिनी क्षय वृद्धि विनिर्मुक्ता क्षेत्रपाल समर्चिता
विजया विमला वन्द्या वन्दारुजनवत्सला वाग्वादिनी वामकेशी वहिनी मण्डलवासिनी
भक्तिमत्कल्पलतिका पशुपाशविमोचनी संहृता शेषपाषण्डा सदाचारप्रवर्तिका
तापत्रयाग्निसन्ताप्तसमालादनचन्द्रिका तरुणीतापसाराध्य तनुमत्यातमोपहा.
Here, Tapatrayagni Santapta Samahlādana Chandrika, it's all together.
तापत्रयाग्निसन्ताप्तसमालादन
Not Santapta, Santapta. Tapatrayagni Santapta Samahlādana Chandrika.
तापत्रयाग्निसन्तप्तसमालादनचन्द्रिका तरुणीतापसाराध्य तनुमध्यतमोपहा.
Here all long. Taruni Tapasaradhya Tanu Madhyatamopaha. Okay. Vidya, right?
हिदिस्तत्पदलक्ष्यार्था चिदेगरसरूपिणी स्वात्मानन्दलवीभूतब्रह्माद्यानन्दसन्ततिः.
Nice musical tune, Vidya. Nice. Shivika.
Parapratya. Is it cha or ka? Like, how do you pronounce a C?
Para pratyakshiti rupa pashyanti paradevata. So here C is all for cha.
cha.
Hmm.
Parapratyakshi
Para pratyakshiti rupa
Parapratyachiti rupa pashyanti paradevata madhyama rirupa vaikarirupa bhakta manas hamsika.
Kameshwara prananadi kridajna kama pujita Shringara rasa sampurna jaya jalandhara sthita.
ऊढ्यानपीतनिलया बिन्दुमण्डलवासिनी रहो यागक्रमाराध्य रहस्तर्पणतर्पिता.
Here this da is soft, okay? So it's not odhyana, but it's odyana. Odyana
ऊढ्यान
pita nilaya bindu mandalavasini raho yaga
ओ
kramadhya rahastarpana tarpita.
okay.
Sadhya
ऊढ्यान okay, I'm sorry, Rupa.
No, sorry, please go.
Yeah, I think we stopped here, so we'll start with the next one today. Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
So Sadhya Prasadini Vishwasakshini Sakshi Varjita Shadanga Devata Yukta Shadgunya Paripurita. So how many namas here?
5.
Correct. 3 in the first line and 7. We'll see the meaning now. So Sadhya Prasadini. Our Sadhya is, meals Sadhya only we know, but this Sadhya means immediately. So Siddhi is given immediately. That is Sadhya. Okay. So Sadhya Prasadini we all know. She is Prasadikinu, Devi Prasadichu means she granted our boons or our desires. So one who fulfills our desires immediately. Sadhya Prasadini. Think a good one to remember. So Sadhya Prasadini. Okay. And that is the first nama. Vishwa Sakshini. This is also easy to guess. She is the Sakshini for the Vishwam. Vishwam is the world. So she is observer or witness of the entire world, Vishwa. Sakshi can also mean that she watches without anything, event or person. She's there, touching, impacting everything, okay? She is there for everything, or her presence is there in everything. That is the meaning of Sakshi. Sakshi Varjita. Varjita we already saw in many meanings, right? Increasing or she is a Sakshi. There is no one who is her Sakshi. So she is beyond all Sakshi. She is the Sakshi for everything else. That is Sakshi Varjita. Then Shadanga Devata Yukta. Mantra has 6 parts, right? And all parts have to come together to give the Shakti to the mantra. Just like, as all parts of the body come together to form the whole body, here also all the parts of the mantra become the mantra or give the power to the mantra, right? So what are these 6 parts? If you see, it is Hridaya, Shiras, Shikha, Kavacham, Netram and Astram are the 6 parts. Similarly, for this also they'll say these are the angams of the mantra. So these devatas are located around the bindu, and when we meditate upon her, so this is also part of Devi Upasana. So when I think they have this Anga Upasana, some rituals with some actions, with some mudras and all. So probably they, imagine each of these, just like how they say in Kundalini Yoga also, they might be, bringing or meditating upon each of the parts of the mantra and completing the meditation. So that's why she's called as Shadanga Devata Yukta. She encompasses all of this, or this is her form, okay? And that is the mantra riti or puja riti also. Shad Gunya Paripurita. So Gunam we know, Shat is 6. Paripurita is Naranyirikinu, or she is full of this, or she is endowed with this. So she is Paripurnam with these 6 gunas. What are these 6 gunas? Aishwaryam, Dharmam, Jnanam, Vairagyam, Yashas, and Shri. We have seen these in other namas also. So Shri is auspiciousness, Vairagyam is like detachment, Jnanam is knowledge, Dharma is righteousness, Aishwaryam again is prosperity, Yash is fame. Okay? These have to come together to make the Ishvara quality. So that is Shadgunya Paripurita. And then, okay, we finished that one, right? Okay, now we'll see the chanting of this. Shivika, you want to go?
Yeah.
Sadhya Prasadini.
Satya Prasadini.
So the Sanskrit rule is after Visarga, if Pa comes, Pa or Pa come, you put a Jihva Mulya, which is like an F sound, okay? So Sadhya Prasadini. You bring your lips together and then that it will automatically become like that, okay? If you're trying to pronounce a Ha sound. So Sadhya Prasadini.
Satya Prasadini.
Vishwasakshini.
Vishwasakshini.
Sakshivarjita.
Sakshivarjita.
So here Sakshivarjita, when I said the meaning, it is Sakshivarjita means devoid of Sakshi, or that means she doesn't have anybody else as a Sakshi for her, okay? She is the ultimate. So she is the Sakshi for everything, okay? Yeah, Varjita, we have seen it in many other names also. That means without that or devoid of that. Yeah. Shadanga Devata Yukta.
Shadanga Devata Yukta.
Shadgunya Paripurita.
Shadgunya Paripurita.
We'll try whole line. Sadhya Prasadini Vishwasakshini Sakshivarjita.
Satya Prasadini Vishwasakshini Sakshivarjita.
Correct. Sarina, you want to do?
Yeah.
Sadhya Prasadini
Satya Prasadini
Vishwasakshini
Vishwasakshini
Sakshivarjita
Sakshivarjita
Shadanga Devata Yukta
Shadanga Devata Yukta
Shadgunya Paripurita.
Shadgunya Paripurita.
Now we'll try the whole line. Sadhya Prasadini Vishwasakshini Sakshivarjita
Sadhya Prasadini Vishwasakshini Sakshivarjita
Shadanga Devata Yukta Shadgunya Paripurita.
Shadanga Devata Yukta Shadgunya Paripurita.
Yes. So now we'll go to the next one. Nitya Klinna Nirupama Nirvana Sukhadayini Nitya Shodashika Rupa Shri Kantardha Sharirini. So how many namas in this?
5.
Yes. First line 3, second line 2. So Nitya Klinna means Nitya Devi, we saw earlier also, Nitya Devi. So is one of the Nitya Devi who falls due on Shukla Paksha Tritiya. Okay. So, but Nitya Klinna, you cannot, Klinna is humidity or ardrata, So we cannot say that she's just falls on one day, but she's always filled with Karuna Rasa. And so this name means that she is filled with Karuna Rasa at all times. Nitya Klinna. So ever filled with the wetness, or here the wetness actually means the Karuna Rasa. Okay. So Nitya Klinna. Nirupama. Upama we know is comparison. So Nihi plus Upama is the one without any comparison. And Nirvana Sukha Daini. Nirvana we know is moksha. So she gives the joy of nirvana. So that is like she gives a stage when all actions stop. That is nirvana state, right? You're beyond everything. So this means that this is the fruit of all our upasana. So upasana phalam. Nirvana sukha daini. Daini is giver. One who gives the joy of nirvana. Nitya Shodashika Rupa. So there are 16 tithis, right? Tithi Nitya Rupa. I mean, 15 are known, like from Amavasya to Chaturdashi, it is 15. But what is the 16th one? 15 represent the Chandrakala that keep changing. But these change around a 16th one that does not change, which is the Sri Lalita herself, who is changeless. So she is that changeless Rupam, okay? Not the one waxing and waning, but she is the one without any change. She is there as the Bindu. She is always there in all the other 15 Kala. And hence, she is the Nitya. Nitya is ever there. Nitya Shodashika Rupa. And Sri Kantardha Sharirini. Sri Kantham, we know, it is Shiva because it refers to his Neelakantham. We also call her Ardha Sharirini, because of that, what is that Rupam called? Shiva half and Parvati half.
Ardhangini.
Ardhanarishwari. Ardhanarishwari. So similarly, this is another way of saying that Sri Kantardash, one who forms part of Shiva. And yeah, so we'll chant this one. Maya, you want to do?
One moment, somebody's at the door.
Okay, yeah. Vidya, you didn't do yet, right? Yeah, Vidya. Nitya Klinna.
Yaklinna,
Nirupama.
Nirupama,
Nirvana Sukhadayini.
Nirvana Sukhadayini,
Nitya Shodashika Rupa.
Nitya Shodashika Rupa,
Sri Kantardha Sharirini.
Sri Kantardha Sharirini,
Sri Kantardha Sharirini.
Sri Kantardha Sharirini.
One more person. Lisha, you want to do?
Sure, Shanti.
Nitya Klinna.
Nitya Klinna.
Nirupama.
Nirupama.
Nirvana Sukhadayini.
Nirvana Sukadayini.
Nitya Shodashika Rupa.
Nitya Shodashika Rupa.
Sri Kantardha Sharirini.
Sri Kantardha Sharirini.
Okay. Now we'll go to the next one. Okay, 10 more minutes. We'll try to do 2 more. Prabhavati Prabharupa Prasiddha Parameshwari Moola Prakriti Ravyakta Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini. So how many namas?
6 namas.
4, 5, 6. Hello, Andy. കുറെ നേരമായിട്ട് വിളിച്ചു പക്ഷെ ആന്റിയുടെ വോയിസ് കേട്ടില്ല.
അത് ഞാൻ പറയുന്നുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. നെറ്റ് കുറവായിരുന്നു മോളെ, അതായിരുന്നു.
Okay. So, yeah, okay. Prabhavati. Every nama usually will have two arthams, tantram and tattva meaning. So tantra itself, it seems, has 5 aspects. Like that's what we said, right? Mantra, yantra, tantra. Tantra is the whole Sri Vidya Upasana. So mantra, yantra, rupa, yogam, and puja paddhati. All that will comprise of the tantra. And tattva artha is always one, the ultimate truth. So this nama can also be seen in 2 ways. Vati stands for like Prabhavati. Many names we have Vati, right? Having or being connected with. So here Prabha stands for Prabha, generally also means light. So she's connected with light. If you want to go further deeper meaning, Bha means Kanti. Pra refers to deepened or Prakrishtam, like deepened light. So Prabha stands for that Kanti or enhanced super brightness. She is the one connected with such light. So Prabhavati, one who is bright, one who has the power of light. And all of these namas have much deeper meanings also, but we will just go to the just word meanings, okay? Yeah. Prabhavati. Now Prabha Rupa. Similar meaning, but why there are different meanings? It's because of the deeper meaning which will have different references, okay? So this Rupam is the Bindu. So Bindu is the most important part of the Sri Chakram, we know. Similarly, in Devi Rupam, in the mantra Swarupam also, the Bindu is the most important point. Similarly, within our body, it is the Atma, right? Our soul that is present right at the center. That has all this, body, shariram, manam, buddhi, everything to experience this life. And the aim of our goal in life is to get mukti. So we have to take this birth, use this body, mind, and buddhi, everything to experience this life and eventually get moksha. So that Atma Vastu, or that Chaitanyam or whatever is inside us, which does all this, which is the Moola Karanam for all this, is the Prabha Rupa. Okay. Again, in simple way, you can say she is a form of Prabha or light, connected with light and Rupam of light. And so she is in us as a light. Prasiddha. She is Prasiddha. Prasiddham, Prasiddhi, Prasiddha, fame. So she is known to everybody. Who is more known, right? Even if we think of that Chaitanyam or soul as the Prabha Rupa, we know that well, that is within us. So that is the root for everything. So here that Prasiddha again refers to that famous or known to us Chaitanya, okay? And she is Parameshwari, okay. Next one is Moola Prakritir Abhyakta, but Moola Prakritihi, that is one nama. So what is Moola Prakriti? Prakriti we know is nature, right? Moolam is root. So visible Vishwa is called as Prakriti. Prakriti is whatever you can see, right? But where did it come from? It came from some root, something, right? So that is Moola Prakriti. She is the root of all these Prakriti or whatever is around us, whatever we can see. And earlier also we saw what is this whole Vishwam is Shiva and Shakti coming together, or Shiva is the Jada Vastu or inert, dormant thing, and Shakti is the manifestation or the kinetic form or the flowing form of Shiva. And Avyakta. Avyakta is Prapancha is Vyaktam. Prapancham is something that you can see, meaning that can be seen in a physical sense. But she lives as a Moola Prakriti, which is Avyakta. So that is why it is Avyakta. She cannot be seen. She can only be felt or experienced. Vyaktavallattaval or Vyaktamalla. You can only experience her. She is not part of the Prakriti, but she's a moolam of the Prakriti. What is the cause behind all this? That is her. So it is Avyakta. Vyakta, Vyakta Swarupini. So Vyakta, same like Dharma, 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 Adharma. Here also, Vyakta, Avyakta Swarupini. She is a form of or cause of both Vyakta and the effect, root. What do you call that? Cause and effect. So she is both. Okay, now we'll see the chanting of this. 9:27, we'll try to do one more. Vijaya Mandi Parani.
നിത്യക്ലിനോട്ടല്ലേ?
Prabharupa ipo. Prabharupa Prasiddha.
പ്രഭാരൂപ പ്രസിദ്ധ.
Sorry,
Prabhavati അല്ലേ?
Prabharupa
പ്രഭാവതി പ്രഭാരൂപ
Prasiddha Parameshwari.
പ്രസിദ്ധ പരമേശ്വരി.
Moola Prakritiravvyakta.
മൂലപ്രകൃതിരവ്യക്ത.
Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini.
വ്യക്ത വ്യക്തസ്വരൂപിണി.
Complete ആയിട്ട് ഒരു പ്രാവശ്യം വെച്ചു.
ഓക്കെ. പ്രഭാവതി പ്രഭാരൂപ പ്രസിദ്ധ പരമേശ്വരി. മൂലപ്രകൃതിരവ്യക്ത വ്യക്ത വ്യക്തസ്വരൂപിണി.
Lisha, you want to try? So you can chant on your own once.
Sure.
The Prabhavati.
Prabhavati. Prabhavati Prabharupa Prasiddha Parameshwari. Moola Prakritir Avyakta Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini.
Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini.
Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini.
Basically, we are saying Vyakta Swarupini and Avyakta Swarupini, but Vyakta and Avyakta together will become Vyakta Vyakta. Okay, Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini. Okay.
Vyakta Vyakta Swarupini.
Correct. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Vyapini Vividhakara Vidya Vidya Swarupini Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudahlada Kaumudi. So we'll see the meaning and quickly chant, okay?
You have to scroll down, right?
Huh?
You have to scroll down.
Oh, okay. Oh. Vyapini Vividha. Okay, do one more. Vyapini. So, Vyapini is, so we saw Moola Prakriti, Mahat and Aham, like what is Chaitanyam we saw. So expansion is Vyapini. Vyapini and the diversity and what is that? Diversity and variety that we witness. Okay, Vyapichirikinu. So that is expansion of the Moola Prakriti. That her innermost thing, that is the Karanam for everything, that soul or Chaitanyam. But she is everywhere. She is in everything. Even though it's one truth, one truth is hidden behind everything. She is in everything. So she is named as Vyapini here. And this also has another meaning, which means she is same. So whatever you see in this world or living, the sustenance is all, we call it as Vishnu, right? So in this Nama, we can see her as the Rupam of Vishnu or functioning as Vishnu. Vividhakara, okay? Akaram is, we know, forms. Vividham, we know, variety of forms. So she is Vividhakara. We are able to experience and see different forms of her. Diverse or multiple Rupams or forms. One more thing, similar to whatever we saw, Dharma, Adharma, Vyakta, Vyakta, many we saw, but here also it's the same thing. Vidya and Avidya. Together, Vidya, Vidya. Okay? And we are saying Vidya's name twice here. Vidya, you should chant this one. Vidya, Vidya, Swarupini. Swarupam is form. So she lives or she is present in the form of Vidya as well as Avidya. So, yeah. We'll leave it at this meaning. Yeah. Second line is Maha Kamesha Nayana Kumudaklada Kaumudi. Okay, so how many namas in this?
5 namas.
1, 2, 3, 4. Because second line full or nama. So first one is Vyapini, Vividhakara, second one. Vidya Vidya Swarupini, together is one name. And Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudaklada Kaumudi is one full nama. So who is Mahakamesha? We know that. It is Shiva, but it is also Parabrahma, right? And Nayanam, Namkaragam Kanna. So his Kanna is 3, 2 eyes and 1 Kanna of knowledge or intuition. And Kumudam is, water lily. So Ahladam is joy. Ahladikinu are the same like Malayalam, right? So joy to his, so Kumudahlada Kaumudi. To who? Kamesha Nayanam. So she is the water lily that gives joy to the eyes of Shiva. That is the total meaning. So, and water lily, yeah. Any other word left? Yeah. Kaumudi. Okay. Kaumudi is when the moon shows the full akaram or full moon. So again, here it means she gives a joy of fullness or like the full moon, and that is in full bloom, the kumudam, the joy of the water lily, gives the joy to the eyes of Mahakamesha. But deeper meaning is, again, she is behind the joy of truth. Okay. Okay. Now we'll quickly see the chanting. Who wants to go? Maya, you went?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Maya. Okay. Vyapini Vividhakara.
Vyapini Vividhakara.
Vidya Vidya Swarupini.
Vidya Vidya Swarupini.
That is Dhya only, okay? Not Dhya, Dhya. So whenever you have these words, right? Dharma, Dharma, Vyakta, Vyakta, it sounds like we are repeating the same word, but we are actually combining the word and the opposite, okay? So Vidya, Vidya, it sounds like we are saying Vidya twice, but it's actually Vidya, Avidya, okay?
Yeah.
Vyapini Vividhakara Vidya Vidya Swarupini.
Vyapini Vividhakara Vidya Vidya Swarupini.
Vidya is same, first and second time.
Yeah. Vidya Vidya Swarupini.
Not Dhya, it is Dhya. Vidya Vidya Swarupini.
Vidya Vidya Swarupini.
Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudahlada Kaumudi.
Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudahlada Kaumudi.
We have time. 9:35. One more person quickly wants to chant completely. Reshma, you're still here? Reshma.
Yeah, I'm here, Shanti.
Okay, you can fully chant that.
Yeah. Vyapini Vividhakara Vidya Vidya Swarupini. Vidya Vidya Swarupini. Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudahlada Kaumudi.
Here, Mahakamesha Nayana is not the name, right? So, Mahakamesha Nayanathina Kumudahladam Kodukunnaval. So, Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudahladha Kaumudi.
Mahakamesha Nayana Kumudahlada Kaumudi.
Okay. Okay, so thank you for joining. It was nice chanting one after the other. So all had to be attentive, right?
Yeah, this was nice.